Welcome back to Gardening with Lance. Today marks an important step in the journey of growing a successful garden. The plants have reached the point where they are ready to move out of their plastic and paper starter containers and into their new home, the greenhouse. This transition is more than just a change of location. It allows the plants to develop stronger roots, access more space, and benefit from a controlled environment where temperature, humidity, and light can be optimized for growth. At the same time, this stage introduces another essential skill, learning how to identify different types of vegetables in the garden. Understanding what is growing and how each plant develops forms the foundation for proper care, spacing, and harvesting. By combining hands-on practice with observation, the process of gardening becomes both structured and intuitive. Let's get started on this exciting journey together.
Okay, a couple weeks in, and we're going to check out what we've done already today. Now, we talked before about the plastic to the paper. Well, when we removed most, the plastic was doing really good, but the paper actually started improving. And now we've moved some of the plastic and paper into the garden. As you can take a look, you'll be able to identify that as a zucchini. And then you can also tell it is a zucchini because growing out of it, right? So that's be able to know that. You can see that all around. Here's another one, another zucchini. There we go. And now, what do you think that is? We planted it earlier. What do you think that is? Yeah, that's gonna be a cauliflower. That's cauliflower. Now, when we take a look around, obviously we have our potatoes looking pretty good. We have our, yeah, we're looking pretty good on the paprikas. Also, getting a couple more zucchinis here. And what is that? Notice the red beet. That's right. Take a look at the outside. Now, we're also back to our potatoes. I'm expecting some potato growth in the next C. And then we go to our outdoor, and we see it's looking pretty good. The carrots, the lettuce, the rocket, pretty good. Right now we're at the first week in April, so I'll keep you up to date about everything else that's going on, but pretty exciting stuff. Looking forward to it.